Reed, you better get out the gin and juice. Do you know why?
Why?
Oh, no. Because Snoop Dogg's son might be headed to Notre Dame. The Chicago Tribune reporting that the Irish have offered a scholarship to four-star recruit Cordell Brodus. 6'3" and son of Snoop has reportedly also received offers from LSU, UCLA, and USC. How about that, Reed?
Kid sounds great, really. But listen up to me, Snoop Lions, Snoop Bobcat, whatever you I mean, Snoop Dogg, of course. Your son is one terrific football player, and I know he's getting offers from all these programs all over the country. But I want him to put on the golden helmet. There you go. Right there. Snoop Dogg, listen to me. Do an old friend a favor and point Snoop Puppy in the right direction. I look forward to sipping gin and juice with you in South Bend sometime. Like it's Regis.
Yes. What's with all the famous kids at Notre Dame, Regis?
Well, we got that Robinson
That's right.
son there, and
Torrey
he
Robinson.
looks good to me.
Also, Chris Collinsworth's kid, Austin
That's right.
Collinsworth.
Yeah.
Torrey Hunter Jr.
It's really something, isn't it? But why are they attracted to Notre Dame? Is it me?
I think it's an outsider.
Obviously.
Yeah.
I thought it's a joke.
And then I didn't even know.